If you need to update one of the drivers on your system, you can do so by visiting the Lenovo support website at support.lenovo.com and downloading the required driver installation file. Type your product name, serial number, or machine type into the search box at the top of the page and then select your machine from the drop-down list. Click the Drivers and Software tab and then select Manual Update to bring up the list of drivers available for your machine. The list can be sorted by operating system, component type, severity, or release date. Locate the available drivers for the component you are updating and click the down arrow next to the driver for your operating system to see the files. Click the Download button for the driver you wish to download. Once the installation file has been saved on your system, double-click the file to run it and follow the instructions during installation until the driver has been fully installed. After the install process has been completed for the driver, the downloaded installation file can safely be deleted. For more information on your Lenovo devices, visit support.lenovo.com.